Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with Master Code Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the sorted built-in function. And basically what the sorted built-in function does is it will sort a tuple and then return a list to us. So it's going to be our responsibility to put that list back into a tuple if that's what you want to do in your program. All right. So let's get and take a look. Let's do A is equal to 2, 4, 1, 23, 53, 12, 3, and 5. All right. There's our tuple. Oh, wow. There's our tuple. All right. I forgot the parentheses when we started writing that, but that still works because that's a valid way to write a tuple. Now we're going to call a sorted built-in function, so sort it, and we're going to pass A, and we get a list returned to us. Notice the square brackets on each side, and it's a sorted list. Sweet. But we want it returned to us in a tuple. How do we do that? Well, we simply just go tuple sorted A like this. So basically what we're doing is we're taking A, we're sorting it, returning a list, and then converting that list to a tuple. Hit return. There you go. All right. Let's take a look at another example. This one's going to be containing all strings. So we're going to sort that tuple. So this time we're going to say zebra with a lower or uppercase character because we're going to do some different work here. We got cat. We got monkey. We got horse, and we got ape. Cool. So we got some animals here. Close out our tuple. If we call, let's see here. If we call sorted on this B, notice we got zebra in the front, and then we got ape, cat, horse, monkey. Well, sorted built-in function will first sort uppercase characters and then sort lowercase characters, all right? Probably not what you want when you're writing your program. So how do we fix that? Well, we can fix that by using the key argument in the keyword argument in the sorted built-in function. So let's take a look at that. We'll do sorted B and then a comma, and then we'll say key equal to, and then we'll say string, all right? So we want the strings up here. We want to pass dot lower, the lower string method, on these strings when it sorts it. So we won't actually see it move these into lowercase, but it will during the sort. All right. So it's going to make them all lowercase. So they're all the same. All right. Hit return. And there we go. We got ape, cat, horse, monkey, zebra. So they're all figured out in the same sorted order. Sweet. That's what we're looking to do. Let's go ahead and reverse it now. Let's go ahead and do sorted B, comma, and then we'll do key is equal to str lower, comma, and then we'll do reverse equal to true. All right, close that up, and there we go. But hey, wait, hold on. We want to put this in a tuple. We forgot we're working with tuples, so we do tuple sorted B key is equal to str dot lower, comma, reverse is equal to true. Close out our sorted function and close out our tuple function, hit return, and I didn't spell true correctly, so we'll fix that right there, hit return, and there we go. We got zebra, monkey, horse, cat, ape. All right, so if you guys have any questions how to use the sorted built-in function in Python, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next set of tutorials where we jump into working with sets. Have a lovely day.